Good morning, everybody. My name is Bill Snyder. I work for Hendrick Performance. I was the purchasing manager for Hendrick Motorsports for the 4 Cup teams for 13 years before moving over to the Track Attack program and certified race cars with Mr. Tony Bunnell here. Tony is one of the original employees that was hired by Harry Hyde going all the way back to 1984 and continues to work with us on Track Attack and the certified race car program. Okay, what team was the first team that you were on with Hendrick Motorsports?
Northwestern Security Life with Jeff Bodine.
So the first race team for All-Star Racing in Hendrick Motorsports?
Yes.
Were you involved in the first win?
No, I wasn't here then. I was in here for the second win. That was on July 14th at Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay, pretty cool. At what point did you join the 25 Folgers Tim Richmond team?
1986, when Tim come on, Hendrick Motorsports was the second team.
What other race teams were you on after Tim?
Well, Benny drove for us and Ken Schrader, then I helped Ricky Hendricks in his deal with his late model and his legend car and all that.
What was the position that you had with these race teams?
I was a body man painter for them.
What was the most memorable thing that's happened with you at Hendrick Motorsports that you can reveal on camera?
Probably when Tim Richmond came back in '87 when he was sick and we won the first race he come back.
Did he win back-to-back races?
Back-to-back. We went to Pocono and won, then we went to Riverside, California and won.
What are you involved in now with Hendrick Motorsports?
The Track Attack cars that we're building for road course cars to sell to the public.
Okay. So in case people don't know, the Track Attack car is a Gen 6 chassis that's made by Hendrick Performance for road course use, for track day use. And Tony, what do you do with those cars?
I'm the body man and painter still on them.
The Track Attack program, Tony, and I know you do the paint work on that. Our customers have the ability to choose their own schemes and make their own designs. What do you think about that, and how do you think it affects the program and the way those customers are viewed?
Well, the first thing people walk up to a car, they see the appearance on it, and that's what mostly sells a car.
Yeah.
A street car and a Track Attack car. So that people get to pick out their own design, and we paint it for them.
We also do certified race cars, which are period correct, in some cases totally numbers matching restorations of historic race cars. And you've been involved with that for years.
Yes. Going
all the way back to the restoration of the very first car that very first chassis Hendrick Motorsports ever built.
Right.
What was your favorite restoration on these certified race cars, whether it's one of Mr. Hendrick's collector cars or ones that have been allowed to be sold?
One of Jeff Bodine's car right here, that's one of them, and Jeff Gordon's first car, they won the Coke 600.
It's a great thing for us to have you involved in the Track Attack program and the certified race car program, because your paint work, in my opinion, is stellar. The cars that come out of your paint shop are some of the best paint jobs I've ever seen on a race car ever, anywhere.